Hi guys, it's me, Bethany here. I got the new Mountain Dew flavor from.
It's not necessarily new, but
Well, it's new to me.
okay.
From Kentucky Fried Chicken. It's the Mountain Dew Sweet Lightning.
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. That tastes dead up like a peach.
Yep.
That's good. That tastes straight up like a peach.
They didn't give us silverware.
Nice.
Well, I got spoons in here, but they're over in that tub.
Okay. This is really good.
Mm-hmm.
It's straight. Actually, it makes me want to. I feel like I just ate a peach.
Mm-hmm.
That's really good. Alright, that's it for this video. Damn, it's literally a minute. We got KFC, y'all. But yeah, this stuff is really good. Oh yeah, that's real good. Okay. Oh my goodness. See you guys later. I'm gonna do another video later on today.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Hmm?
Yeah, get the TV. Possibly. That will fit in your car.
Huh?
That will fit in your car.
Yeah, we finally got the one to fit.
Yeah. So yeah, I'll see you guys later, and yeah, I've got one more video today, and then I will see you guys at least midnight-ish. Bye, guys. Also,
No.
what?
I'm moving.
Okay. You don't want to be shown on camera.
Well, my cheeks were puffed up because of the food.
Okay. Your cheeks are puffy anyway.
Really?
Mm-hmm. Anyway, see you guys later. Bye, guys.